Welcome back to the PV544 restoration series. Today we're going to be cleaning up the back seat and also cleaning underneath it. Let's get into it. So this is the original interior. Matches the interior code stamped under the hood. And it's the original, it's wood, hay, and springs. And again, we could see the rodents that were living under here. Yeah, left quite a mess. And yeah, a little more vacuuming to do. A lot more, actually. So all this trash bag you see is material that they brought in, the rodents, to make a nest out of it. It kept getting stuck in the vacuum, so I had to take it out by hand. I would also like to note that all of the work I do is done on camera. I don't do anything off camera. If I do, I'll try to make note of it. And then repetitive tasks, or when the film is bad, I cut that out. I don't want to bore you guys. Yeah, so the rats would bring in trash bags, chew them up, and that would be their bedding. Absolutely disgusting. I'm glad I'm not a rat. But I'm not far off if this is going to be my car in the future, so. And this material that I've been removing that's attached to the body, we'll see it again soon. It's bitumen and jute. And this came from the Volvo factory as an insulation, and it's pretty water resistant. But water still gets under it, forms a layer of rust, and it comes off. I like to leave it on as much as possible, but if rust is forming underneath it, I'll take it off so I could treat the rust. Also, it doesn't hold up very well in the sun and high heat, as we'll see in a clip pretty soon. But I was happy to find no rust holes under here. It looked pretty solid. And you could see some moss growing behind the seat. And this is actually where the name of the car comes from, Mossy. From that little piece of moss. I'll put a picture of it. And also the green color. But here's that insulation I was telling you about, just disintegrated from the sun. That's the hat shelf. Came off in one large piece. Piece of cardboard from the 60s. Didn't hold up too well in the California sun. Also, let me know down in the comments if you like this style where I speak over what I'm doing in post-production, or you'd rather have me speaking to the microphone. Another bit of the hat shelf, as Volvo calls it. These side bits of the seat, I didn't mess with them much. I'll have to do that in a later episode. I will do a final detailing later on. But here's my brother. He's the detail expert. He makes a living doing this.
No.
What?
You let it sit.
Oh, well, you never said it.
I didn't say go.
Oh.
And he's kind of walking me through
True.
the steps.
Okay, go. Do circles. Look at that. See the circles? You push nice and hard until it comes out. Wow, look at that.
I've never been someone that does detailing very well.
Yeah, it will mess them up. And see how mine, you don't see any black?
Mm-hmm.
Because you're going too fast.
He has
Use
years
one
of
small part
experience
of the rag.
detailing, and I'm just the apprentice here.
Yeah, and your whole clumping technique.
It's bad.
Oh yeah. You fold. Fold and you flip.
He's really good with everything: paint, vinyl, surface.
And that's all you gotta do. Push up.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Circles. See, now you're learning. So rub this around with your hand.
So what I'm doing here is I'm breaking up the build-up on the seat with my hand.
Probably cleaning my hand just as much.
Yeah, and there's a good chance you're not gonna get any of that out.
What about like stuffy materials? Because this is super soft. Like the rough side of sponge vibe.
You're probably gonna mess it up. This doesn't exactly push hard. But even that's abrasive.
Right.
That was another very
You don't
important
want it to dry.
thing to keep a note, is you don't want the degreaser to dry. It'll end up staining it.
And it's only slightly counterintuitive that you're cleaning it with a filthy rag. Need them gloves to start glowing right now.
Get more in the back. Tell me when I should wipe it.
The more you do here, the more comes off.
I don't want to wipe it down, just swinging it around.
Nothing wrong with that.
I'm not gonna do circles, just getting it off.
We'll do circles. That's how you're gonna get more. Make the product work. It's nice that it's free for you, but it's not for me.
Very nice. So if you were a boss of a detailing place, you wouldn't hire me?
You need training. Well, all of this.
It's going fast. Should go on that.
Came out pretty good.
You're only doing this white part right now.
I just keep scrubbing, but don't go farther over.
Alright.
Usually what will
Don't do a
happen
bunch.
is the top part of the seat will get cooked by the sun in sunnier climates. And I was lucky that this seat was mostly intact. There was some damage on the lower
Just like
part
it.
from those seats that someone else stacked in there. But overall, I was really excited to get it clean.
That's already a nice little improvement.
Oh, that's really nice.
See what I'm doing? Have you been watching? I'm pushing hard.
Mhm.
And I'm scrubbing in little circles, but I'm trying to go with the grain.
Oh, I'm going crazy.
Smaller circles, more focus. There you go.
Bro, you're a master.
And then take a look. Nice. Go one line. And do the next. We're all gonna get one of those. You don't do.
He's amazing.
Clean mustard. Let's see what he does.
He's been out cleaning.
I know, look at that. Okay, look at that. Don't see. Wow, PV disgusting. But you are getting a little cracks.
Yeah.
I know you did that.
There you are. There's more water than that. That's something not to want to do.
So here he pulls out the magic eraser. These you can buy everywhere.
Going straight by straight.
And
One
we
over there.
also
You're
use
gonna do this.
degreaser on
Look
it.
at that. Like that.
Between that and the toothbrush, it helped to get in all of the textured cracks.
That's still big. That's dry. You want to do it dry?
You just put yourself in the sound.
Make a lot of money with those.
Yeah, there he is on the left, breaking up the dirt, and there I am giving it that final cleaning with the magic eraser.
That's how you do.
Once I finish these right here. Yeah, go for it.
Still some circles.
And if you think you're just pushing around black, just swap your rag around. Now just go a little faster, get all that stuff off the track. And it dries, then it's no fun. And now guess what you do.
Yep.
Yeah. Pretty good. And you got some cleaner on your hand. You can tell pretty clean right here.
Yeah, I spent much time with the thing, right?
So it just gets to the point of how much scrubbing. And just know every time anyone touches that white with dirt in it, it doesn't stop.
Good to know.
At this point, I didn't touch the lower part, the red part, but it already looks so much better.
How's it working then?
Watch. Seems pretty nice.
It still has a hole in it, but I guess it's a lot better.
Well, look at the top of it.
Yeah.
And this, and then you can kind of see what it was, what it is.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's improved. I think we all can agree.
It's improved, yes. Mom might sit in it now.
That's the goal one day. Just have to keep scrubbing with the eraser, and one day she'll sit in it.
Okay.
Overall, I was very impressed with how the seats came out. Here they are currently. And yeah, see you next time.